Do not fry sausage in oil. Save and fry in water. In a saucepan with water, add 500 grams of Tuscan sausage and simmer for 20 minutes. With the pan dry, add just a strand of oil. Add the sausage already boiled and washed. Add some water and leave until this water dishes and the sausage begins to fry. As soon as the water boils, add a little more and repeat the process until the sausage begins to brown. During the process, make small cuts to the sausage. If you prefer, you can do it before the process. And look how the sausage is already browning, and to get even better, I will complement with a little onion, a little soy sauce, remembering that the onion and soy sauce are optional. And if you want the most golden sausage, just leave it any longer. Mine is already golden, and look how amazing it is. To get even better, I decided to make a sauce with 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and now stir very well. Also add some Parmesan cheese and chives to taste. And look at that delight. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.